You can see how much cleaner that side is compared to all this nastiness. What's good, y'all? It's your boy What's the Thing, and I'm back up in this thing, man. I need to get my driver's seat cleaned up ASAP. This mofo is nasty, but first I gotta get a car wash. Got the car wash. Right now I'm leaving Walmart, picked up some microfiber towels that I needed. Real quick as I'm pulling up out of here, man. I mean, y'all know what's going on right now. It's crazy. I just want to say, think of other people right now. Other people need some things more than the rest of us do. So just be conscious of that and be conscious of your elders. Alright, you guys, so I picked up all the supplies I need. It's nothing too crazy. It's all pretty basic and simple. You can pick them up at your local Walmart. Can't ever have too many microfibers. Now, my car luckily isn't that dirty. My driver's seat's pretty nasty, but the rest of it's pretty good. So there are lots of different ways of doing it, but I like to keep it pretty simple. Just the microfiber, the leather cleaner. I spray it onto here. And then you just kind of want to massage it into the leather. Start cleaning it up. And with the perforated seats, you don't want to put too much on here. So I wouldn't recommend spraying it directly on the seat. And then once you've kind of spread it around and wiped it up pretty good, you go back with the dry side of your microfiber towel and get everything up. You can already tell how just one pass on one side has already made a huge difference. You can see how much cleaner that side is compared to all this nastiness. It's already made a huge difference. I mean, it's making my seats look like damn near brand new again. Let's see if we can clean these scuff marks off of this center console. And then I'm gonna hit that seat, and then I'll show you guys how I do my leather conditioner. All right, y'all, it's time for the seat. Alright, y'all, so we got both of the seats all cleaned up. Now it's time to put a little bit of moisturizer on these guys. They're looking a little ashy. Now I'm using the Chemical Guys leather conditioner. Make sure you give this a good shake. What's nice about this stuff too is it actually has a scent, but it's not like a bad scent. It actually smells like leather. It's kind of weird at first, but you get used to it. I like it a lot, actually. Put a little bit on there, mix it around on your rag, and then we'll start applying it. Rubbing it into all the cracks and crevices. Now, if you have a Camaro like me, or you have something else and you've got either suede or Alcantara on your seat, this is where you want to be careful. Try your best not to get too much of it on the Alcantara. You leave a stain on there. And once you've got a thin layer applied to everything, this is when you go back, grab you another dry one, and just kind of start buffing it out. Bring these seats back to life, man. These things had some neglect on them, that's for sure. Alright, y'all, now that we got the seats all cleaned up, let's go ahead and clean this Alcantara. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in the next video.